Hello, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 Indian stocks which you can buy now. Why these 3 Indian stocks, and at the end, I'm going to wrap up with my thoughts on the current market scenario. Let's get into the video. Infosys, ticker symbol INFY at NSE. Infosys is one of the global leaders in consulting, outsourcing, and next-gen services. It is the second largest Indian IT company after TCS. In India, actually, you cannot build any low-risk portfolio without Infosys. The reasons are, it is a debt-free company. This is an important factor to consider because debt-free companies have higher chances of surviving during recession. Look at this balance sheet. It's awesome. Their liability is only around 18,500 crores, but their asset is way more, 53,000 crores. This is the part I love. They have 19,500 crores in cash and cash equivalents. Strong balance sheet. Its dividend yield is around 3%, which is attractive. Strong board of management. Recently, there was some issue raised by a whistleblower about the CEO spendings, but that issue was resolved. There is nothing to worry for us. The main reason why I chose Infosys is its current trading price. Look at it. This value is almost close to its intrinsic value. There are many ways to calculate intrinsic value, but don't worry. The current price is really attractive. Here comes the question. Why not TCS? It is the largest Indian IT firm. I prefer Infosys mainly because of its fundamentals. See, its P/E ratio is less than TCS. With TCS, I have to pay 8 times its book value, not a very attractive dividend yield, and so on. Maybe I will consider TCS if I can buy it for around 1200 rupees. Of course, there are plenty of Indian IT stocks with strong fundamentals trading at a cheaper price. But in this current market scenario, it's too risky to bet on those small companies. But it's up to you. So my first choice is Infosys. But wait. Don't buy the stock now. Add the stock to your watch list. There's a very good chance that you can buy the stock for a much cheaper price. Let's move on to second company, ITC Limited, ticker symbol ITC at NSE. ITC has a diversified presence in FMCG, agribusiness, packaging, etc. But they make 80% of their profit from cigarettes. Many popular brands like Ashirwad Atta, Classmate Notes, Savlon are also owned by ITC, but they contribute very small percentage to their profit. Why did I choose ITC? Again, the same criteria. Great balance sheet with well-diversified products, almost a debt-free company, strong board of management, and of course, strong dividend payer. Please have a look at all the other great FMCG companies like Hindustan Unilever, Dabur, Britannia, P&G, etc. I think this sector will definitely do well once we come out of this global issue. As a dividend and growth investor, my choice is ITC because with other companies, the valuation is not very attractive to me. Government is reducing its stake in ITC and therefore the price went down a lot and it's currently trading at an attractive price. Imagine if ITC continues to pay out the dividends for the next 10 to 15 years without any break. Then you will basically get back all the money you invested today in dividends alone. Think about it. Let's move on to the third company. So far we have covered the IT sector and FMCG sector. My third pick is a bank. Banks are already affected badly because of this global issue and it's going to get worse for them. But at the same time, this is the opportunity to buy some very good banks at a cheaper price. Which is the best bank in India? No second thoughts. It's HDFC Bank. Ticker symbol HDFC Bank at NSE. Usually it doesn't go for sale. Look at this lovely chart. There has been tremendous growth and this recent fall is only because of this global issue, not because of any performance issue in the company. Evaluating a bank stock is different from evaluating the stocks in other sectors. They lend money to run the business and therefore checking whether it's debt-free is not very useful. So why did I choose HDFC Bank? Look at their cash. It's awesome. I think HDFC Bank is one of the safest one to deposit your money. With this much money and their products, HDFC should definitely do well when compared to other banks. Their non-performing assets may increase, but it's under control in my opinion because most of their customers are salaried people whose pay will not be affected much because of this current global issue. This bank has strong fundamentals, but it's always been trading at a higher cost. Currently, because of the huge selling pressure from foreign investors, we are able to get at this attractive price. I would accumulate the stock in every dip below 750 rupees. So these are the three Indian stocks which are currently very attractive to me. I can keep adding more stocks like ICICI Bank, Manappuram Finance, Cipla, and so on, so on. But now I want to focus on what's the best thing to do in the current market situation. I'll do an in-depth analysis of stocks to buy in future videos. Let me know in the comments if you want me to cover any specific stock. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, so you please do your research before you buy stocks. Please listen to this before you go and purchase some stocks. Do you think making money in the stock market is just buying low, selling high? The answer is no. It's not just buy low and sell high. In order to make money in the stock market, actually you should know proper money management skills. Knowing how to invest, how to protect, how to diversify, when to sell, and so on. So don't just throw money in the stock market. I see people buying stocks without much study. Don't do that. Think how much time you spend to choose a good dress or to buy a phone. In the same way, learn as much as you can and choose the business you would like to own for the next 10 years. In the current market scenario, you should only invest money which you don't need for at least next 5 years. No, I warn you, don't invest for a short term. We are going to have financially bad quarters ahead. So coming out with profit in the short term is really difficult. But in the long term, you can really make huge profits. Okay, what to do if you're a rich person having a lot of cash in hand? Actually, you don't need my advice. You know what to do. You're already rich. You know it's not possible to predict the market bottom. So yeah, go ahead, start accumulating the wonderful stocks in regular intervals. If you're a regular salaried person with no debt and some cash in hand, then I would ask you to wait until someone finds a medicine for this global disease. Jump in the next minute someone truly finds the medicine for this issue, or at least wait until the spreading decreases. If you're a person with not so much cash and you have debt, then I would ask you to focus on protecting the money. That's the first priority. Come out from your debt and start saving cash. There is always opportunity in the stock market if you have the right knowledge. So don't worry, you can catch the next boat. Finally, to wrap up, all my beloved listeners, all of us want to become rich, but not everyone wants to learn about personal finance or investment. Please make use of this lockdown as an opportunity to learn about personal finance or investments. All the best in your investment journey. Smash the like button if you want to help me in spreading this message. If we survive, then I want a new world where education is completely free. Subscribe to this channel to join the community. See you again in the next video. Thank you. One quick tip to become rich soon. Go and help the needy who struggle a lot because of this unexpected situation. God will definitely make you rich.